So we are in session 2. It's a UI. Currently, the second competitor. We can see the second competitor solution. I think the solution committed to Git repository was correct, so we can give the 100 points. The README, was it okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so give the whole points. So first test case. Login screen components are visible. Verify that the login screen renders correctly. Navigate to the application start page. We are here. Expected result. The following UI elements are visible. A title or label containing the word login. I think it has. An input field for username. It also has. An input field for password. It has. And the login button. The solution contains a little bit more than we expected. Autofill user 1, 2, 3. I think to us as a marker, it's help things. But if I check it as a businessman who ordered application for production, it's not acceptable to give this. So somehow I think we have to deduct a few percent of the solution. But I think we can see everything. So just give, I don't know, 90, 80% of the whole points. What do you think? What do you think? How many? 90. Okay. Okay. The next, successful login with user 1. Login with the valid credential, user 1. Please fill it. User 1 is the user. Password is 123456. Submit the login form. We have to success login, navigate to the find customer view. It's happened, correct. So we can give the whole points. We have to check a login again. It's interesting how can, great, we can go back. So user 2 and QWERTY is the password. Kétszer kell jó, igen. Hát, hogy lássuk, hogy legalább nincs beégetve. Okay. The next one, failed login, invalid username. So the username is not a real user, but we give a real password, 123456, and login. Okay, user or password error, great. And try again with the right username with the wrong password. So user 3 and figure out the wrong password. The password is the wrong password. Okay, username or password invalid. Correct. So he can call the authentication server and he can handle the error response, the 401 response code. We can go to the next text group, which is find customer view and search. So please log in. And first we check has we got the right elements. Verify find customer screen renders correctly. Successful login. Navigate to the find customer screen. Visible UI elements. Title or label find customer. It's here. Birth date input field date picker and birth date input field. Name input field. That's here. Full text search input field, great, and the search button. Okay, I think we can see everything, so we can give the whole point.
And in this case, how much difference would we accept?
How much different? Because
I don't know if he says instead of find customer, it says find customer panel. Would we accept it or not?
We can deduct a few percent because it was given correctly what you have to write. And I think that's a problem. He show all of the customers, So, but it wasn't well defined in the test case, but I think we have to deduct because it was very important to us. Don't list all of the customers in these pages, and it was written in the wireframe, but we didn't add it to the test case. So I think we have 5. Okay, maybe 20% deduction because he lists all of the customers. Is it okay?
一つ確認したいんですけど、
He'd like to confirm one thing.
Okay.
まずその情報が、お客さんの情報が大切なのは分かります。ただ要件、テストプロジェクトの要件としてそういう要件があったのかを確認させてほしい。
So he'd like to know if there is no requirements of showing this all the customers' information or not.
Mm-hmm.
Is this included in the test first?
Yes, it was in the wireframe.
Ennyire nincs benne a feladat leírásban. That the task says after a successful search, show a table with all matching customers.
After a search, yeah, it's not exactly. I think when we okay, maybe it's a mistake and we can't. I don't know because we discussed in this room with you and I thought it's very important. Don't list all of the customers, but maybe in the documentation it wasn't written correctly. 3 perc van, vagy készen vagytok?
3 perc van.
Oké, majd akkor állíts le és akkor utána. I just read it. The last test case. List one customer. Okay. Then 90%. What do you think?
Could you scroll down? Do you actually see all customers, or is it just few the first?
Okay.
customers?
Can you scroll that?
Okay.
Yes, this looks.
Okay.
Too many.
Yeah, he gives some extra to us because we don't need the pagination. But yeah, maybe the original document has a mistake and it wasn't described clearly. You just have to show maximum 10 or 20 and you just list the customers after search. So it's not a big deal, but somehow I would like to show it's not the correct solution. So it's a few points, and I think we can go to the next because we won't have too much time. So search by birth date. Please write. Tudod, hogy melyik JSON szerver fut? Hogy azzal van-e futtatva, ami ehhez a feladathoz van?
Az extended fut.
Extended.
Mindjárt beírjuk, azt kiderül.
Oké. 1981 kötője 0522.
1981 kötője mi?
0522. Okay, try it. No content. Maybe. Okay.
Melyik DB-t töltsön be?
Hát, ami a 2-eshez mellékelve van, tehát hogy bele van írva inputként a session 2-be. So the test plan connected to a generated database. Currently we run a different one because we switch between the databases and we try to use that dedicated database which related to the test cases. So Bence replace the database and we can check what will happen. First looks good.
Szerintem van frissített.
Mhm.
Nincs ilyen.
Mhm. Try the name.
1900, mi volt 1981?
Nulla.
De van 0522.
Mhm. Akkor lehet, hogy nem jól találja meg. Nézd meg a... Nézd
Maybe
meg.
he cached the wrong stuff. 1 second. Maybe he filtered locally and the wrong set of customers was already loaded. 1891. 1981.
Igen, 0522.
Hát mindenki 210
Az már kicsit sok lett.
05. Okay.
Great. Okay, so in the test cases, if we give this date, we have to get Jack Okuneva, birthplace, Lawrence. That's correct. We can see this one, so we can give the whole point. The next one, search by birth date negative. So 1999, January 1. Good. No content. Search by name positive. Please write. Ooh. Can you check? Fahi Keegan. Calgon.
It's easier when it's done on one computer because then you can copy paste. But
Okay. Yes, we can find him, and now you have to switch the name. So Keegan Fahe, he has to find again. It's work. Great. Okay. That will be a negative.
igen, csak hogy nem meg bekeselt.
Okay. Search by name negative. Write X, Y, Z, not real. Search. Okay, no content. Great. Full text search. Keegan South. Egy van. Okay, we have to find again him because the birthplace contains South. If you write an X at the end of South and search again, yes, this will work correctly. Full text search, next one, heater, 1946. We need with health head. We have to do some search because they have to search in 5 different fields. So currently the birth date and, as we see, the mother name contains these words, correct. The next one is Okuneva Lawrence 1981. So it has to match 3 fields, but it's correct. Okay, we need a negative search. Try the Keegan with a different date. Okay, that's correct. Yes. And full text search returns multiple results. So if you write Okuneva 05, we have to get back 2 results.
0.
Yes.
Jól írtam?
Okuneva, nem W-jel van.
Ah.
Great. Okay, he can find both and he can list it, so we can give. Result list table format correct. Okay, so just check the correct. Verify the result table has correct columns. Search returns at least 1 customer. Keegan South steps, submit search. Okay, observe a customer list. The table is visible. The table contains the following columns in this order: first name, last name, birth date, birthplace, mother name, gender, joined at, correct. Each row shown the correct values for the matched customers. Correct. Okay, we can go to the next view, which is customer 360. try to find Vincenzo. Yes, Vincenzo, that one. Okay. Customer profile is displayed fully. First name Vincenzo, last name Romaguera, correct. Birth date, correct. Birthplace North Maximeside, okay. Name Oliver Wiegand, gender F, postal code correct. Email lenny.skilles, okay. Phone number 88. Membership gold, join that, correct. So we can give, oh, this was the second test, sorry. The first is view renders all required sections after selection. Has to show customer profile section, this one, contract list section, okay, it's not products, it's the contract lists. But in the wireframe there wasn't a name here, so we can accept. And account list section, accounts here, correct. So it's everything correct. Okay. Test case, contract list displays active records with params. Okay, here are the params. It's shown correctly. Accounts table shows all accounts. Okay, it has to have 3 different accounts. Yes, correct. No account selected, no transaction visible. Okay. Selecting account display correct transaction. Select an account, please. First one, that's okay. Scroll down, okay. We can see the transaction. Now switch account updates transaction accordingly. So switch the account and we have to get different transactions, correct. Transactions ordered by most recent date. It looks good. Okay, so finally we have to do judgment, which is the user experience related part. So all of the experts has to give a number from 0 to no, you can give 1, 2, 3 or 4, okay. There is no middle number, so you have to decide it's good or not. And be careful, we have 4 different parts of the UX. The first one, flow and cognitive clarity. Does the application feel intuitive to use without explanation? Are screen transitions and the step-by-step journey, login, search, profile, logically structured? Is the interface free or unnecessary friction or confusion? Are screen titles, section headings and action labels meaningful and self-explanatory? So now we give points for the flow and cognitive clarity. If you know what you want to give, just on your hand here, and we will show a number. Okay.
I see.
Yeah, yes.
It's my competitor.
No problem. It's a friendly competition. Okay. 1, 2, 3. It's 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. That's 8, 11. Okay. It's 11.
1, 2, 3. Wait. So you count 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, just 1, 2, 3 to show. Yeah.
So
To show your.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Jump,
Yeah.
game,
Yes.
High range 0から3なのか、1
the
から4
range is 0 to 4?
No, no, no.
One.
One for one, two, three, four.
Two, three,
You
four,
can give
three.
0.
はい、0でもいいですけど。0、
No,
1、
let me know,
2、
let me
3、4。
5段階
4. あ、そっか、5段階全部で。So
あ、それ
there's
で
a 5 level, right? 0, 1,
No zero, no zero.
No zero. Ah,
no
no
zero.
zero. That,
4ね。
No, no
Three.
0 level.
Okay.
Let me know, let me know.
That's three. Three. Okay. 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 Check the next one. Visual consistency and aesthetic quality.
Visual consistency.
Are layout, spacing, and alignment clean and coherent across all screens? Is the visual hierarchy effective? Like what stands out versus what blends in? Are UI elements, buttons, tables, panels styled consistently? Does the interface have a professional and polished look suitable for a banking application?
アプリケーションとして好ましいかどうか。
Based on my experience, bank applications have really shit UI, so.
It's a modern bank.
Yeah.
なかなかそれぞれバラバラだから何とも言えないんだけども。
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. All together it's 10. Okay. Interface feedback and emotional tone. Are state changes like loading, selection, or result communicated clearly? Do visual cues, highlighted rows, selected items, disable buttons support user understanding? Are feedback messages helpful, friendly, and confidence inspiring? Does the experience feel calm and focused rather than overwhelming or chaotic?
コロティックって何ですか？コリック。
まあ
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. It's 2 or 3?
3.
3. Okay. 14 together. Okay. Desktop usability and accessibility perception. Is the interface usable at a common desktop resolution? Are all actions accessible using a mouse and/or keyboard? Optional but ideal. Are contrast levels, font sizes, and component dimension comfortable for prolonged desktop use? Does the interface respect desktop UI conventions like scroll bars, hover states, form input styles?
インプットサイズとかどうなってるかどうか。
1, 2, 3. Okay. Great. We can go to the competitor 4, and or can you show the competitor 5, because I don't want to make a very long recording of the video, and the competitor 5 came from web, so maybe his UI solution has to be the best, and I'm curious what can we see.
それに書いてる。
It's uploaded to the Git repository correctly. The README file was correct. Okay, so I think you can quickly check. Login screen components are visible. I think we can see everything what we want. Successful login with user 1.
Yes.
Correct. With user 2.
Yes.
Correct. Try a invalid username. Invalid credential. Correct. Failed login. Invalid password. Okay. Oh. Okay. View and search. Find customer view components are visible. 3. Search. Yes. It's
Pretty difficult.
okay. No customers found. Good. Find customer. Okay. We can give the whole points. Search by birth date positive. Szerintem rajta hagyott csak egy klaszt a pörgésen, nem? Vagy egy state-et nem állított át. Vagy nem jön vissza valami
And
cross origin problem.
no, the HTTPS problem.
Oh.
Session 2, right?
Mm-hmm. No, session 2, competitor 5.
Let me search for what's it called, HTTPS.
Not in the package. Just close the package lock. Okay, that's.
Let's go to HTTP. For the other service, he used HTTP. I don't know. Okay, it works.
Okay. Okay, so search by birth date. 1981 0522 81 0522. Okay, it's work. Negatív 990101. Okay. By name, the name was Fahi Keegan. Okay, and change the order of the name. Okay. Search by name negative. You tested before.
With what?
Valami nevet beírsz, aztán kész. Okay. Full text search, positive. Keegan South. Correct. Next one is Heater 1946. 46. Okay. Okuneva Lavrence 1981. Okay. A negatív, Keegan 1979. 79. Okay. Full text search with multiple result. Okuneva 05. Yes, it has two. Result list table format is correct. First name, last name, birth date, birthplace, mother name, gender joined at. And there is actions, we can accept it because there is the link to the next page. Okay. You have to select Vincenzo.
Mi volt az utolsó?
Vincenzo.
Vincenzo.
Mm-hmm. The first one.
Okay.
Okay. The values are correct. And we can see the customers, the contracts. Can we see the accounts? Yes, and can't see the transactions, so correct. The profile, okay. Contract list displays active records. with params. Yes, there are the parameters.
But there are also inactive.
Inactive. Wait a minute.
I didn't check in the for the second competitor. Was there inactive?
Yeah.
インアクティブかどうかさっき確認しなかったの。
I don't know. We have to show. I can't remember.
Mindegy szóval.
Okay. Accounts table show all accounts. It has to have 3 accounts. Can you scroll down?
Yes.
Okay. No account selected. Then okay. Select one. View transactions. Okay. Switch. Okay. Transaction order by most recent date. It's ordered. Okay. Flow cognitive clarity. So we
じゃあ
have
さっきと同じですね。フローコグニティ。
flow and cognitive clarity. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Visual consistency and aesthetic quality. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Interface feedback and emotional tone. 1, 2. Yes. Are state changes, loading, selection, no result, communicated clearly, do visual cues, highlighted rows, selected item, disabled buttons, support user understanding, are feedback messages helpful, friendly, and confidence inspiring, does the experience feel calm and focused rather than overwhelming or chaotic? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Desktop usability, accessible perception. Do you need the description? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Good. I stopped the recording. I think it was totally enough for video.